Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Protinex powder. First, measure the recommended serving size, usually around 25 to 30 grams, using the scoop provided or a kitchen scale. Then, add this powder to about 200 milliliters of milk or water. Stir thoroughly or shake in a blender bottle until the powder is fully dissolved, ensuring a smooth, lump-free drink. Enjoy your nutritious beverage. Knowing when to take Protinex can maximize its benefits. Many find it ideal in the morning as part of a balanced breakfast, providing sustained energy. It's also excellent post-workout, helping your muscles recover and rebuild. Alternatively, you can enjoy it as a convenient and healthy snack between meals to boost your protein intake throughout the day. You can easily enhance your Protinex drink for added flavor and nutrition. Try blending it with your favorite fruits, such as a banana or a handful of berries, for a delicious smoothie. Adding a spoonful of nuts or seeds, like almonds or chia seeds, boosts healthy fats and fiber. For a thicker, more satisfying drink, mix it with yogurt or even oats. Remember a few important tips for safe and effective use. Always adhere to the dosage instructions provided on your specific Protinex product label. If you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant, consult your doctor before incorporating any new supplement into your diet. Store the powder in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.